In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout in Davinci Resolve 18. This guide is perfect for beginners, and by the end of this video, you'll be navigating through Davinci Resolve's layout options like a pro. Let's start by opening Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it on the Blackmagic Design website. Once you have Davinci Resolve open, you'll see the project library. This is where all your projects are stored. Take a moment to look around if you're new to the program. When you're ready, click on a project to open it. If you don't have a project, you can easily create a new one by clicking New Project. Now that your project is open, you should see several pages at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Edit page. This is one of the most used pages in Davinci Resolve, where you'll do a large portion of your video editing. Go ahead and click on the Edit page to bring it up. Once you're in the Edit page, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Workspace. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. The Workspace menu is an essential tool for customizing your working environment in Davinci Resolve. With the Workspace menu open, look for the Layout Presets option. Click on it. Layout presets are predefined layouts that can make your editing process smoother by organizing the interface to fit your editing needs. Depending on your workflow, you might prefer different layouts, so it's great to explore these options. After you've explored the layout presets, scroll down to find Fusion Presets. Click on this option. Fusion is Davinci Resolve's powerful compositing tool, and these presets will allow you to quickly arrange the interface to optimize your compositing workflow. Having a tailored layout in Fusion can significantly increase your efficiency, especially if you're working on complex effects or animations. And that's it. By adjusting both the layout and Fusion presets, you can customize Davinci Resolve to suit your individual editing style. Don't be afraid to spend some time experimenting with different configurations to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you understand how to change the layout in Davinci Resolve 18. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy editing!